Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are playing Super Animal Royale. The homie said hop on this game, so I said fuck it, I'm hopping on. You know what I'm saying? So please stay tuned to this funny ass video.
What? Mic it out.
Famous.
Alright, ready up, Ethan. Ready up.
Aren't I already ready?
No.
Boy.
Alright. Watch your tone.
Alright, let's get it.
How many times have
No
Come on.
no whammies this time.
Yeah,
Since we on your server, bro, you better play good, bro.
Hey, I got you, bro.
Drop it, boys!
Y'all choose.
5th hour is algebra 2. 6th hour is chemistry. Godly. 7th hour is English, and 8th hour is lunch. Why is my lunch the last thing of the day? What is this?
Nigga be hungry all damn day.
That's what I'm saying. Okay, we can just go to research lab since no one wants to pick.
Somebody pick pixel port, bro.
Nah, that's
I'll go
other
pixel
team.
port.
What?
Bro, it's better to set up the whole team, bro.
Yeah, I'm just gonna follow Cam.
Wow. There's a level 3.
Ethan.
But there's a level 3. Fine, but yeah!
Alright.
This is what I'm saying, bro. It be your own team. Over here, Cam. Over here, bro. This is full of people already, bro. Watch out. There's one, I think maybe 2 dudes. One dude died over here.
Where?
Oh, level 3. Over here, next to me, a teammate.
Hey, right here.
Alright, bet.
Help.
Hold on,
Where you at?
hold on, like I'm coming out.
Coming.
We're coming. Oh my, we can't run that fast, man.
Look at this, bro.
Legit, we can't run that fast, bro. We
What y'all
can't.
go over here for? I'm not blue over there for 3 niggas.
Bro, we can't run that fast, bro. Like that's my excuse. We can't run that fast.
I'm gonna kill him for you, Cam. Brandon down here.
He gonna smoke y'all. He definitely better than you.
Yeah, where he at? Where he at?
Through this door, down here. Brandon, you was like not next to me for real.
Go the other way, Brandon. I could have flanked from both
Brandon,
directions. I could have flanked from both directions, bro.
You got him. He's down.
See, Cam, I told you, bro.
Give me that.
I'm structured
Fuck,
a bit
I have no
different.
fucking tape.
That's tough.
Man, give me this.
Brandon, you should like come back inside for real. Whose grenade was that? Was that yours?
I need tape. No, I'm gonna risk it.
You should like risk what, bro? Let's go to the zone.
Nigga, it's right there. Relax.
Yeah, right here. My bad. All right, come to me. Go over there.
Don't do it, Brandon.
Go
He's gonna shoot the girl, ain't he?
Oh shit!
Where are y'all going?
Bro, where's the exit?
Go down.
Over here.
Huh.
Hey,
Teammates getting cooked.
Let him get cooked, okay?
Jeez.
I'm finna get cooked.
You got a melee.
Oh my god.
You gonna clutch? No, he's not.
My god.
No, he's not. He's not gonna clutch.
No one. I'm not dealing with that. I'm not dealing with that.
All right, let's do it again. This time, no fucking leaving.
But if our teammate's naked, I got no choice.
Man, whatever. We take a L, nigga. We take a fucking L.
I'm not here to take L's in Asian servers.
Well, guess what, brother? Get good, nigga.
You get good.
No.
God, I think it's stupid, bro. Alright,
Thank God we ain't got no other teammate. We're good.
All right, where we landing at, boys?
I say we land at
Pyramid.
All right, it was decided. Pyramid it is.
Oh my god.
It's cool. We're gonna murk these niggas. We gonna murk him. We gonna murk him.
Sure.
He
Get this
landed at
fox
that
off
AK,
me.
alright? Alright, he got
Oh
that
my
shotgun.
God!
Nigga, I have no weapon. He's gonna kill me!
God, kidding me.
Come on,
I'm finna die.
Come on.
Oh my God. Stand by. Are you serious?
Bro! Oh my god.
No.
What was this?
No.
Bro, we going back to America. We're going back to America.
We're going back to America. Bro, I need to see
Niggas
what our
beating
team
up
looks like.
Romanian women.
I need
Let's
to see
go
what our
Pete
team looks
Swamp, bro.
Alright, where we landing, boys? You already
Yeah.
landed. Where we going? We finna
Right here, right here.
die.
Bro, Cam, that's what I'm saying, bro. You guys really get to your
Oh,
like,
fuck, we are finna die. I ain't finna
bro,
die.
they have everything.
I got an AK right here.
I down two.
I down two.
Ooh!
Hold on, I'm coming. I got an AK.
Forget it, bro. I'm knocking one down. He's trying to heal his teammate. I knock one down.
All right. I'm coming.
I'm in. Got him.
Stop! He meleeed.
Oh, y'all clutch. Good shit.
Brennan, where were you?
Yeah.
Legit, boy. I said I was coming. Guess what? Them niggas dead. Shut up.
I need Tave and heals. Why is this nigga still? Hoop!
Now.
I can't go through there.
Hold on.
You gotta be kidding me.
All right, down him.
Good shit.
He's out of here.
I don't need ammo for real. Bro, we should like leave though. Real.
Yeah, we should. Go up, come up.
We going up? Bet.
Yeah.
Nah, I'm coming down, bro.
Ooh!
Oh,
All right, go.
God!
All right, go. I down him. Two more. Oh, it's a whole team.
I down one. We need to leave.
Bro! Good stuff. Hurry up,
Pick him up. No, I'm
You're
picking him
picking him
up.
up.
You watch our shit.
We need to leave. We need to leave like right now. We do not need
Okay,
to
we
be
do.
there.
It's hot. It's hella hot over here, bro.
Me too. I only got level 1.
Yeah, you guys do.
It's such a bitch ass, man.
Yeah, shut your goofy out.
Weak as fuck.
Yo, stupid ass.
You're right.
Up, he on that emu. We chasing or no?
No.
No.
I caught his chest.
Okay. I'm full on tape. You only hold 5 tape.
Yeah.
Up, above.
Oh my God. Hold up. I down one.
Fall back. Cam, fall the fuck back.
Cam, drop your thing. How do I drop
Fall
my?
back and heal the fuck up.
I have no more.
Cause I think it's like 2 teams. That was like two other teams. All right, let's get to the circle.
I need banana for it, so I just eat it.
Coming down. Oh my God. I down one.
Let's go.
Good shit. Here I come.
No, get him first. And then he give me. You loot. You got both of them kills.
Good shit. Let me get the AK though.
Well,
Let me
I
get
want
that level 3. Yes.
I want that AK.
Well, too bad, bitch. I killed him.
But like, I want the AK.
Oh shit!
No.
Oh man, I should got that fucking emo, man.
Heal.
They're jamming out.
I'm trapped.
All right, man. Yeah, heal up.
Right here.
Down.
Coming.
Yeah. I down one?
All right,
Oh, no,
down
I
one.
didn't know.
Down. On me.
On you?
You got a sniper. Watch out.
Let's go.
All
I'll
right,
be in
I'm.
that sniper.
Brandon, get me up.
Nah, he got you. He got you.
All right.
All right, let's fall back and wait for this nigga Ethan.
Zeus.
Heal up, guys. Heal up. Heal up.
It's us 3 versus another team of 3.
All right, bet.
All right, Brandon. I think you should go be the sacrifice.
All right, bet. Heal the fuck up. And reload the fuck up.
You right. You right. You know how right you is to it.
All right, below.
Hello? Got two of them. Reloading.
Let's
Good
go.
shit.
Easy, dog. Get on
Good
my
shit.
idea,
Good
bro.
shit.
We're too
Good
dirty,
shit.
bro.
Good
Too
shit.
dirty, bro. It ain't easy, bro.
Hey.
It ain't easy, bro.
Hey. Hey. Hey.
It ain't easy, bro.
Hey. All right.
American
All right,
Scammer.
boys. Where we landed?
I say we land at. Yeah.
The labs.
Yeah. I was gonna say Bamboo Resort, but yeah. Labs.
You know, that's one of the hottest draw spots in the game. Look how many niggas are here, bro. Yeah, hell no, you're not doing that.
All right. Well, I'm following you like always.
But I ain't telling lies, Chris. Travis.
Bro, who is this dude on our left, bro?
Damn lie.
Bro, he's following like crazy.
It's cool.
Look
It's
at
cool. It's
him.
cool. It's cool. It's cool.
He got a gun, so like, I'm just saying, if he comes up here, like,
Man, it's 4 of us.
He's in here with me. Don't go in that building. Don't go in that building. Oh, that's just Rando. Rando dead, bro. Rando dead.
Look at that deagle.
I got a blue AK for you.
All right, what's up in here?
A
Hey,
bow.
shit, I won't. I know.
Ooh, red
I
crab, man.
want that. Daddy,
Let's go.
Shoddy, like a melody,
at
and
my
Maya.
head. I mean,
I think this is level 2 on
I
me.
wasn't even born when that came out. Okay, facts.
Bruh, I was spiritually here. That's what I'm saying. I don't think you
Up,
guys
up,
understand.
up. It's an enemy. It's an enemy. And I have no
Yeah.
fucking I'm finna die. Yeah, I handle that. Please.
What gun does he have?
Okay.
Alright.
Behind. Fuck.
Now we're
Fuck. There's a
focusing
whole
on,
team.
focusing on
Behind.
this. Oh my god, you're right.
Fuck. See, look, man.
Grenade, watch out on me. Oh my god. What the heck, bro?
Man. It's another fucking person. Oh my fucking lord.
Damn it, hurry up. Yeah, that's what's up. I was guarding M16, a Tommy.
I
need to get
fucking
Come on,
died, dog.
I need to
You
get up.
take the.
Which one? Which one do you want me to get? Which one do you want me to
I'm tired of you of clutching for Ethan. Clutch for me, okay?
What the heck, bro? What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you, Brandon?
I hope it's a sniper in his chest, bro.
Brandon, you
No, it's a bullet.
This nigga straight use snipers in this game.
Bro, I'm almost at max ammo, bro. I almost got 3 guns in max ammo.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
That was a whole team, and he died again.
Oh, shut up.
And you're not coming back.
Brandon, you're already gone.
Bro, what? Who killed me?
It was that white goat that killed me, bro.
All right, where we dropping, boys?
Doesn't matter. I might just stay on the boat. Stay on the boat.
Yeah, I don't care where we drop.
Yo, ice castle, bro.
What?
Snowy
shoot.
place.
I'm coming. Full team of bots in front of me. Literally a full. Oh my god, it's disgusting. All right, that red crate is mine. You got it? Red crate mine.
Are you so fucking
Ain't no
lucky?
way. I got a red crate and they gave me a.
Bro, Brandon! Oh my god.
Wasn't shit good in there.
Doesn't matter. Why are you taking my stuff, bro?
Shut up.
All right, bet. Remember
Bro,
that.
go get one of these little 2s, bro.
All right. Yeah, I just got one. As soon as you said something, that's crazy. Damn, I fucking hate this place, low key.
Walk you slide.
Yeah, I really don't like
It help you lead my shots better. I ain't gonna. Cause when people slide, they get a good aiming, so I just out aim them.
slide, drop.
Bro, there
Yeah,
is
the
no
folks don't
loot
stop.
here, bro.
Bro, come on this way.
All right.
Bro, there is no loot here, bro.
Please give me a sniper.
Fuck.
Please give me a sniper.
Bro, how long is this song?
With
Where y'all
me,
at?
bitch, when you the dead
Y'all,
guy.
no,
I ain't even spitting bars, but I
Where the
can't
fuck you at?
do it
It's a good question.
every day.
I'm on my way.
Do a goddamn lie on my shit, and that's how I survive. Fuck up your whole career
He's definitely in
with
his prime,
one
bro.
line. Be the nigga ass down in a lunch line. And then lunchtime. You got niggas missing Trump.
Bro, is there like a green AK anywhere? I'm not gonna run around with
Oh
a
Oh, we
green
gotta go
shit.
Bad bitch, trafficking, trafficking.
I'm in the smoke.
It's a green
And then
AK
you
in
get
the smoke.
average, and then you get average, and then average,
I'm in
average.
the smoke. Drink time. Up.
Yo,
Zim.
I made.
Down.
Down one, down one.
Alright, yeah, already down. What? Down.
Oh,
Thank
you
the
guys left
Lord
me.
there were
You guys left me with the
fucking
entire team.
bots. Fucking
You guys
bots.
left me with the entire team. You guys left me with the entire team. You guys left me with the entire team. Oh my god. I down one. I down one. Oh, there's another team.
Here I come. Ah, damn. Here I come. Here I come.
Brandon. Never mind. He got it, bro.
Alright, I was here. I was here. I was here. I came. Last second though, but I came.
I came last second. That's a weird sentence, bro.
I came in and I saw, okay? Shut up.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, bro. Brandon, when you see Boss, bro, walking he'll screen to start shooting up while you running, bro. And you'll must be down on every time. They just chase you, bro. They got outside on you, but they're gonna chase you straight line. So I just free fire a while and they just walk into the bullets and die.
Oh, I see.
All right, where we going, bro? Oh, no, I know where to go. I know where to go. I know where to go. I know where to go.
Alright, bet. Where are we going?
Market.
I already marked it. Watch me
Mark
speak
you.
to me. Watch me speak to me, bro.
Shut up, boy.
I'll show you a boy, bro.
I'll spit on you.
Bruh, and I would catch that spit, bruh, with my hand. Not my mouth. Caught with my hand.
Alright.
Mm-hmm.
We in the dungeons.
My dungeon.
This nigga gay, bro.
What? Hey yo.
Dotted
Hey,
by
yo.
Dotted by
Hey yo, B.
Hey, yo, B. Cut it out, B. Word
Yo,
to my
CJ.
mother, you bugging.
You bugging, Buster.
I'll show you Buster, alright?
His name is a buster, bro. I ain't gonna cap. He a buster
Buster.
bully.
Whoa! Alright, man. See, now, kissing dad is one thing, but saying that even a bust and a 16-year-old, that's you Rico the Giant for real, bro. That's crazy.
Nah, 14-year-old.
Nah,
That's
12-year-old.
even worse, Cam. That's even worse. That's
Nah,
even worse.
9-year-old.
What?
This nigga Brandon different, bro. I thought you knew.
Different, bro.
Nah,
You wake up.
5-year-old.
All right. Hey, okay, I'm public leave. Ooh, we're great. Sniper if you want it. Here, let me.
Drop the ammo. Drop the ammo.
Yeah, let me drop that. I got you.
Ooh, this
There
AK.
we go.
Calling my name. It's a sniper.
Where you
Epic. It's epic.
Sorry. So I already get them a
at?
sniper.
Drop the ammo.
It's epic.
Drop the ammo.
What the fuck is sniper ammo again? How the fuck I drop ammo? Tab.
Oh,
Oh,
yeah, and it's
which
the
one is
beige
it?
one.
I see it. I see it. Is it?
I know.
There's another sniper up here if you want it.
Jesus,
Yeah,
there's ammo for it?
Yeah, there's the. I didn't touch it. You got
Alrighty.
it.
I need that shot.
Oh, finally, I needed a sniper, bro. I
Oh
need
my
more sniper
God.
kills.
Ah!
I'm so glad I got a gold club, man.
All right.
Got her. Got her. Got her. It's-
Yeah, I'm definitely out of here, bro. I'm most definitely out of here, bro.
ah.
On me, Cam. Following in the footsteps of the God of War for real.
Oh, the what?
Cut it out.
God of War. I'm the God of War. That's what I'm saying.
Are you?
Hell no.
You want to see, Brandon?
Yeah, the god of bitches, man.
Nah, because he get no bitches.
Ah,
No, I got a
damn.
lot of them for real. Bro. I got a lot of them for real, bro. Hey, don't listen to him. Don't listen to him.
Yeah, I believe you, Ethan. Okay.
Anyways,
My nigga Ethan get all those.
thank you, bro. Appreciate it.
He
All the
Cam, what's your problem,
Valios.
bro?
You get all the Valios, yeah.
Thank you, Brandon. Oh my God, bro. See, Cam, it's people like Brandon that you need in your life, bro. Like, why you always gotta bring me down?
ain't nothing to bring up about you.
Okay, that's a
alright,
bar though. You have to bar him up like that.
This nigga Ethan barred out, man.
Yeah, I was barred out, you know.
Oh, here, I mean,
Argon. Down below.
yeah, March.
I got
Okay.
fucking naded.
All right. Oh my God, he almost
Oh,
exploded.
heal me. Only I gotta do is clutch.
All right,
All
Cam,
right, I'm back in
pointing.
action.
Oh, where is he? Where did he go?
They shook. Just heal.
I think they up.
Come over here.
Oh shit, I
Hello.
almost
Why?
died.
Brandon, why are you almost dead, bro?
Why? I don't know. Don't ask me.
They just,
Damn, what?
that team we saw just died. That's all they loot right there. So the other team has to be over here, either below us or this way.
Alright.
All right, Brandon, watch our 6.
I don't even know what 6 is.
Behind us.
I get back here.
Alright.
Where are these niggas?
Over there.
Where? Up.
Yeah.
I'm in. Bro, Diggles are so annoying.
I'm down.
Bro, this person is on me, bro. Oh my gosh. Like, you're chasing me for what?
Good shit. Revive me.
Don't pick up Brendan. Oh my God, bro.
Well, guess what? You're dead, okay? We need all the help we can fucking
I'm
get.
dead because you can't pull your weight. I'm sorry, that was so mean. I didn't even say that, bro. That was
Oh, shit, behind. Fuck.
Don't chase.
I got.
Brandon, you should just heal up for real. Oh man.
Alright, good shit, Cam. He clutch on me.
I should have sniped this dumbass, bro. I got this
On me.
How many of them off, bro?
Good teammates. Good teammates.
I'm so far off to get this Campbell still. I got 4. Yeah, sure that was the last one. Y'all wanna do one more?
Yeah, that's the last one. Good matches. Okay? Good matches.
All I have to say is,